White spots on your dishes after washing? Are you washing the correct way? Check these points before washing. First, food residue on the dishes. Check the filters. Filters may be clogged and need cleaning. If the spray arm holes are blocked by food residue, dishes may not be cleaned due to improper water spray. Clean the spray arms. Large particles of food residue should be removed prior to washing. Second, loading dishes. Make sure the items do not touch each other. Deep-based items should be placed upside down. Do not obstruct spray arms from rotating. Separators on the cutlery rack keep utensils separated, avoid damage, and improve cleaning. Third, detergent and cycle. The amount of detergent needed depends on the cycle, load size, and soil level of the dishes. If a pre-wash is desired, add detergent to the recessed pre-wash compartment on the lid. Select the correct cycle based on soil level and the type of dishware being washed. Fourth, water drops or stains are left on the dishes. The rinse aid indicator indicates when more rinse aid is needed. The use of the rinse aid is recommended to prevent water spots on dishes while enhancing drying performance. Water hardness. Adjust the setting corresponding to the hardness level of water used in the water supply. Set the LG dishwasher's water hardness level. Find out the water hardness level in your home if you use the test strip included in the user manual package. The package contains a test strip and a comparison sheet. Take the strip and immerse it in still water for about a second, not under running water. Now wait about a minute. After that, compare the test strip color with the sheet color. When you have found the corresponding color on the sheet, look up the level value in the product documentation. The level corresponds to a value you need to set in your dishwasher. To check and change the current level, first, make sure the dishwasher is turned off. Now press power and half load at the same time. You can see the current level. To change the level, select Delay Start. To confirm the selection, press Start. You can verify the selection by pressing power and half load again.